Hey, morning everyone. Back again, Saturday morning here. Our Indian summer's over. Started raining a little bit last night. Now we got a special weather watch. We're supposed to get a bunch of snow. So it looks like fall has finally arrived here. I was hoping to get another drive in with the 28th, but yeah, we'll have to see if we get a little bit nicer weather here next week or so, and then after that we'll probably be into winter pretty much full on. So kind of a different video today. Gonna have a couple things. I'll just show you where we're at on the Fargo cab. Pretty much everything is done as far as rust repair. I did a little bit of cleanup, and I got everything is primered, seam sealed. I got 2 coats of red primer on it, not red oxide, just red primer. Stop it from rusting. It's going to go outside in my Quonset now. The next thing we're going to work on is the getting the 2008 Aspen tore down, get the motor and transmission out of it, all the wiring, and get that all ready to go for the swap into the frame. So I've got all of the primer on. I put some rubberized rock guard in where the front mounts go, because they won't be accessible once the bodies or the cab's on the frame. I'll just let you down here. Okay, got you down. Just bring you over here. Grab the light. This door tends to stick a little. I got some work to do on the latch there. So all of the seam seals done. Took primer really nice. Really happy with how it turned out. The floor repair, everything is good. I'm going to seal up all these holes with aluminum tape, keep the mice out. Living out in the sticks here, we got lots of problems with mice. So next thing I want to do is I got a couple of product reviews, or actually supplier, I guess. So I've been, let me get this camera turned here. Here we go. I've been using these Cayman 1600 TIG gloves for probably about 6 years. They've been really good up until this set. I bought 2 pairs from a new place. I used to get them from Amazon, and Amazon doesn't carry them anymore. I probably know why now. But these ones, as you can see, are still pretty clean. I've only wore them for about a week and a half. The seam on this finger is already coming apart, and right in the worst possible place. And then this one, when I went to put it on, I pulled on the cuff and it tore the leather right off. So obviously the quality of these Cayman gloves has gone to crap, so I won't be getting them anymore. But the main thing I wanted to say about this is I bought these from a new place online, Canadian Welding Supply, or Canada Welding Supply, I believe it is. I'll put a link on the screen there as to where it was. And I ordered 2 pair of them. I sent them an email with some pictures showing them these gloves, and waited a day and a half, but they got back to me and absolutely blew me away. They're going to send me 2 replacement pairs free of charge, no shipping, no nothing, of a different brand that they said are considerably better. So talk about customer service. You don't see that very often nowadays, but I got a couple suppliers here. I'm going to show you that that's the way they are. So as I mentioned quite a ways back there in my 28 Dodge build, I used a Champion Cooling Systems radiator, and they were phenomenal to deal with. I had a bit of an issue with a leak on the first rad. They sent me a replacement, no charge, and didn't even want the old one back. So I've gone with them again for the Fargo here. I looked through their listings and I found a 68 Roadrunner, I believe it is. Rad is exactly the right size radiator to fit in the grill of this Fargo. It's a 3-row, rated for 700 horsepower. It should cool this 5.7 Hemi absolutely no problem. It's a really nice quality looking rad. Really happy with it. It fits in the hole I got perfectly. Inlet and outlet are in the right spots, and the price was really good. US price on it I believe was $244. With our terrible Canadian dollar right now and shipping, just over 500 bucks to get it to Canada. So it really sucks being in Canada and all our performance parts come out of the States right now. So anyhow guys, that's where we're at. Once I get set up and get the Aspen in here, start tearing it apart, I'm going to show you the procedure for getting that all apart, what wiring we want to save, the whole works there, and the conversion of the automatic transmission from 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive. So anyway guys, stay tuned. We'll keep adding content as it becomes available here. So thanks a bunch.